After a clean install of Windows 11 or upgrade from previous versions of Windows 10, some PC users suddenly notice that they have no Wi-Fi toggle in quick settings. The taskbar flyout only shows Bluetooth, airplane mode, etc. No icon on the taskbar. No Wi-Fi section under network and internet settings. And even device manager does not show any Wi-Fi or wireless adapter in the network adapters. We have seen lots of content uploaded on YouTube tends to help users to enable their Wi-Fi options. Following certain changes to your operating system like upgrading or reinstalling the Wi-Fi adapter softwares, using several commands on the command prompts, resetting the network in the settings option, or enabling or automating the WLAN Autoconfig or network connection services. But what happened to the users who still not be able to solve their issues due to common misunderstandings that I am about to show you guys in this video? This often happens simply because Windows does not have yet the right wireless drivers installed after the upgrade. And it is the obvious reason that a new clean Windows 11 operating system will consist all the settings and services enabled when newly installed to any laptop or personal computer. However, we need to understand that the reason could be different, that we might didn't even focus on that. This video will be going to help you gain your Wi-Fi access back within few minutes by following the very simple steps. In the first method, I am going to get my Wi-Fi toggle back into my Windows 11 operating system in the network and internet settings. And in the second part, when we have the Wi-Fi icon appear successfully but still won't be able to connect it after entering our password, because sometimes the Wi-Fi option is present but the PC won't accept your password even after multiple attempts. So we will be going to solve that way too in this video. Our first and foremost method is to use the USB Tethering or Ethernet cable to let Windows Update get drivers. Step 1. You must have to provide your Windows a working internet connection so it can fetch drivers. Since Windows have the capability to upgrade its all kind of software itself as soon as it connects to the internet. So if in case you already have the Ethernet cable connected to your routers, please give it access. But as in my case, I only have my Wi-Fi connected to my phone. And I have the only option available to use the USB tethering option in my phone settings. For that, simply go to settings. There, search for network and internet. Then search for tethering and hotspot connectivity. And just enable this option after plugging your data cable from phone to your laptop. This immediately gives the PC internet access through your phone's mobile data or Wi-Fi. It will use the same internet downloading or uploading speed your Wi-Fi is being providing to your phone actually. Step 2. Run Windows Update. On the PC, go to Settings, Windows Update and click Check for updates. With internet active, Windows will now search online. It should detect the missing Wi-Fi hardwares and automatically download and install the appropriate drivers. Many users confirm that simply having any wired or tethered connection and running Windows Update restores the Wi-Fi drivers and brings the toggles back. Super common issue with Windows 11. Connect an Ethernet cable, run Windows Update, restart and it should definitely work. Step 3. Reboot. After updates finish installing, restart the PC. The Wi-Fi adapter should now reappear and the quick settings Wi-Fi button is now back. In case if you are facing similar issues like me, please try to perform the first method. And now before explaining the second method to you guys, if this got your Wi-Fi back, give a thumbs up or hit subscribe. It helps the small creators like me. Furthermore, we are heading towards the second issue to fix keyboard language layout for the Wi-Fi password. Now as you can see, my Wi-Fi option is now visible here in the shortcut command center after following the first step. I wish you have got yours too. So here you have to make sure that instead of putting passwords blindly, just double confirm to check by clicking on I icon to see whether you are entering your password correctly or not. As in my case, my Wi-Fi password contains a symbol @ but it is appearing as a quotation mark on my keyboard, which is likely indicating a change in my keyboard layout or language settings. To check this, open any text writing app like Notepad or anything else. Just type the symbol keys to check whether they are working fine as assigned or not. So here you can see my shift plus @ giving the quotation mark. Shift plus 3 gives the pound sign. It means we have the United Kingdom keyboard layout installed in our system, because key placement and layout design in UK based keyboard layout has some distinctions than US type layout. There are higher chances that you have installed the latest build of multilingual Windows 11 versions, in which you may have opted for the keyboard or input method as English United Kingdom language when installing your operating system. Now, in order to correct these layout settings, simply head over to settings by right clicking on the start icon. Now on the left hand side, look up for the time and language setting and click on it. Right there, click on language and region option. Here, as you can see, there is only one preferred language added as English United Kingdom. Now here, we will add or install our primary language like English United States to normalize or reset the functionality of our keyboard as per your preferences. Once the language pack will be downloaded successfully, simply switch to it and recheck to enter your password again with any kind of symbol or letter. You will get connected to your Wi-Fi without any issue. It is very important to tackle the underlying cause. A missing Wi-Fi option is usually not a hardware failure, but simply that Windows need the right driver or service running. If you are still facing any issue, please do let me know in the comment section where I will possibly try to respond on each comment as early as possible. If you found these fixes helpful, please click like and subscribe so we can keep making easy to follow tech guides.